If you're looking for a knife that will actually cut through sourdough bread crust or homemade bread crust, you can look no further. This is the one. This bread knife is so good. So I did receive this as a gift from the company so that I could show you how it works and show you what I like about it. There's a lot of things that I don't understand about this, like carbon, German, steel, whatever. Whatever the handle is made out of, I don't understand that. It's good craftsmanship and good quality. I don't understand those things. What I do understand is that it works really well. It fits nicely in my hand. It's weighted in such a way that it kind of helps you cut the bread, and it's got the serrated blade, very, very sharp. So let me show you how we do this. So I'm going to cut a couple of different ways. Sometimes the heel can be really hard to cut. So let me just show you. Look how easy that was. And now I'm going to cut this longer piece. Sometimes that's kind of hard to cut just because it's so wide and can sometimes be soft in the middle. And did you see how easy that did the trick? So yeah, this knife is amazing. I love this. Like I said, I don't understand the science behind it. All I know is it works. Who else has the same struggle cutting a loaf of bread? Okay, raise your hand. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of really cool products like this, please hit subscribe.